If you can do this, in fact, if you can tackle this part, you are definitely going to skyrocket sales. Have you ever run some video ads but it didn't perform as you want? Or do you have in mind to launch some new ads but you don't know where to start? Well, let me tell you step by step the video ad formula that you can copy and use in your ad account to achieve your goals. So we are going to review an ad that popped on my Instagram story, but I believe it has all the elements from that video ad formula that I am talking about. So this is the ad that we are going to review. If you are a business owner, probably you've seen these ads from this brand called Remarkable. Their target market is mostly business owners who like to be organized, who like to take notes, and they're actually selling something revolutionary. I have not seen this type of product from other brands, so it's quite cool. But I wanted to understand before we review this ad, you don't need a very high production like video camera to record such quality videos. You can record your creatives with your phone. The key elements from this video you can apply using your phone. So let's go ahead and watch the whole video, and then I'm gonna break it down each part.
All your handwritten notes, perfectly organized on Remarkable 2. A streamlined interface gives you instant access to all your work. Use separate folders for each project and create new notebooks with virtually unlimited pages for a personal, customized workspace. All your notes and documents ready to share and accessible on your phone and laptop. All your work organized with Remarkable 2.
So we have definitely a lot of things here going on. So first thing first, you have to hook your audience. And what is actually the hook? Well, the hook is basically the first 3 seconds of your video. And the actual goal of the hook is to stop your potential buyer on your creative and watch like the first 3 seconds. Now, in order to make a very good hook, you need to know your customer. So that's why the customer research is a must here. You have to know very well your customer first before you create a hook. That's why many video ads suck, because people don't know who they are selling to. The biggest mistake that people make is when I am asking them, well, who is your ideal customer? And they are saying, well, everyone who is briefing can buy my product. Right there, it's a huge problem, because it's impossible to have a product that solves every single problem on this planet, right? People have different problems and you need to know what specifically your product can do and show the solution to the right customer. So if we look at this ad, the keyword they are using at the beginning is organized. That simply means they know their audience like to be organized, to take notes, to get the things done. So as a customer, because I like to take notes, it grabbed my attention instantly. That's why they have a very great hook. Another way to use the hook is to start with a question. So usually what I do for my clients, I look at the pain points of their ideal customer. And let's say, for example, that you're selling jewelry. And a problem that comes up in my mind is, the pieces of jewelry, they turn green very quickly in just a couple of days. Well, you can start with that. You can say something like, fed up of seeing jewelry turns into green in just a couple of days. And that can be a text overlay on your video at the beginning. The next point is to show your product in the first 3 seconds. And that's because Facebook and Instagram, they are visual platforms. People want to see what is that video about in just a matter of seconds. They do not have time to watch your video till the end to find your product. So the key is to centralize and have close-up angles. And because we have a very short attention span, especially the young generation millennials, you have to make sure that you're showing your products as soon as possible, right? That's how you get them involved into your creative. Another point that is related to this one is to have the different scenes. If you watch your favorite movies or TV series, you're gonna see that on average they change their scenes like around, I think, 10 seconds. When it comes to creatives on social media platforms, they are shorter. That's why the average attention span is 3 seconds. So make sure that you're changing the angles of filming your products for each 3 seconds. The next thing that you need to have for a successful video ad, and by the way, if you can do this, in fact, if you can tackle this part, you are definitely going to skyrocket sales. And that is make your customer imagine how their life will look like after using your product. You see, the hardest part to sell your products is actually people are afraid. They have a fear that once they buy their product and they pay you upfront the money, they are thinking, what if the product is not gonna do what it says it does? That's why many people struggle when they see that they have a lot of traffic, but they are not converting. The problem is that you don't show them how their life will be like when they are using their product. And if we look what this brand did, at the end they are saying these keywords: unlimited pages, organized. So you don't need to worry about buying new papers or buying new notes. Your life is gonna be easier. This is the word, easier, using this product, and I'm gonna get things done. And their customer will think, okay, if I am doing more things, if I'm more productive with this type of product, then I'm gonna make more money. So they are thinking mentally how they are using this product and what will be the outcome. Right here, this is the most important key element. If you truly understand and you master this part, you're gonna be successful. The thing is that people buy usually because of emotions. When they buy that pair of Nikes, they don't buy just shoes, they buy a statement. They know that when they are wearing that pair of shoes, they're gonna get more compliments, they will feel better about themselves. That's what you should focus on. And the last part, if you have a demonstrative video, use a call to action at the end of it. Tell them exactly what you want them to do. The call to action should say your ultimate goal. If you want them to purchase your product, the call to action that works the best is shop now. If you want them just to browse on your store and learn a little bit more about what you're selling, you can use learn more. Or if you have a video that you want them to watch, you can use watch more. So you got the idea. Now this video can be a little bit overwhelming, but that's okay, because being overwhelmed, that simply means you are growing. But if it still seems too hard to run ads by yourself, then click in the description below and book a call with me to find out if we have a right fit for you. But only if you are serious enough and you're committed to move your business to the next level. Until next time, I will see you in my next video.